The following is an important weather notice from the National Meteorological Survey. A strong low-pressure system will be moving onshore over the next 2 days. A blizzard warning has been issued for the following locations, until 8 a.m. Wednesday. Prince Glacier Island, Arctic Cove Island, and area encompassing all inland locations west of Route 5 from Glacier Peak south to Cod Bay. Visibility will be lowered to less than 1 kilometer, winds of up to but no more than 97 kilometers per hour will occur, resulting in blowing and drifting snow. Snowfall rates of up to 25 centimeters or more may occur. Travel will become difficult to impossible during this weather event. Please stay off the roads and avoid travel. If you must travel, take a winter survival kit with you. In the event you become stranded, stay in your current location and attempt to stay warm. High winds will result in very low wind chill values of 60 degrees below zero or greater. High winds may also result in isolated power outages. You are advised to prepare now for potential power outages.